Okay, myself Sambasivam. Actually, I have a graduated diploma in Sri Durga Devi Polytechnic College. Now I'm pursuing BTech Mechanical part-time in Dr. MGR University, final year. And now I'm working in Michelin Private Limited as a mold engineer. I have a nearly 9 years working experience in various companies. I searched in Google. I read the feedback of many of the, so then only I selected the GUVI. Actually, I can't able to go study in directly go to that college or school like that. So that's why I selected this GUVI to study in online. It's very useful because if any doubt, I can able to search the video to see and rectify the solutions I get, and I can work with that. So that's why it's very useful for me. Actually, it's a mini project is very useful for me. It will be learn very useful because they give you a mini project. It's very useful, like all the tools were applied in one project, so that's why it's very easy to learn all the things. Actually, SolidWorks is very useful, and final project is very difficult, and it's very easy to learn many things in final projects. Actually, I thought it's very difficult to learn. I'm asking about SolidWorks. Now after that joined GUVI, it's very easy to learn SolidWorks. Sunny sense. Because it's explain problem it's very easily. Actually, I have a zero knowledge in SolidWorks. Now I'm like a professional in SolidWorks. I can able to do any project in SolidWorks. Comfortable to learn in GUVI. And if there is any problem, I can search the video to clarify that doubt. If there is any query, I raise the query. They will immediately rectify the issues. ஆல்ரெடி எனக்கு இதில் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இருக்குது இந்த டிசைன் சாஃப்ட்வேரில். எனக்கு பெருசாக எதுவும் தெரியல, பட் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு எல்லா சாஃப்ட்வேர்ஸும். கேட்டையா, சாலிடக்ஸ், இந்த மினி ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ்லாம் கொஞ்சம் கம்ஃபர்டபுளாக இருந்துச்சு ஒர்க் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. எல்லா டூல்ஸும் முன்னாடியே சொல்லிட்டாங்க. ஸோ தென் அதை யூஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு. தேங்க்யூ.